Hello everyone. In this video, we'll start going through the documentation step by step, including practical tutorials and examples. If you'd like to get free access to UndoEngine and follow the tutorials together with me, you can do that. Simply follow the link, install the package into your organization, and follow the setup instructions. After activation, you'll receive a 5-day free trial with access to all premium features. Once the package is installed and activated, go to the Organization Settings UI and verify your subscription status. If everything was configured correctly, the button will turn green. If the subscription is inactive, the button will appear red. After that, users in the organization normally won't need to interact with this button. Its default state is gray. Subscription verification runs automatically once every few days. The button only needs to be used manually if your subscription has expired and you want to renew it, or if you changed your subscription plan and need to activate newly available features. Next, you'll need to assign permission sets. UndoEngine. Full access for system administrators or users who will work with history records, including viewing changes, restoring data, and managing history. UndoEngine Limited. Intended for users whose actions should be tracked and recorded in history. At this point, the post-installation process is complete. Further in the documentation, you'll also find useful information about the package behavior, capabilities, and platform limitations based on Salesforce requirements and architecture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.